This is the last time for you to enroll in my course, How to Draw Trend Lines that Predict Future Stock Movement. We see it here. We see it here. We have our lines. We have many lines, but they are there for something. 194.35. When we broke that line, we knew we were going to go somewhere because we had a hard time breaking 194.35 since mid-January. And when we broke it on June 26th, we knew that something was happening, and this is what happened. Yes, it's coming back down. Yes, it's normal for stocks to go up and down. But when you went to sell, we are trading. This channel is called the Daily Trader. We don't like to holding stocks from $400 down to $99. We don't like to do that. When stocks go up, we buy because we are buying low because they are going higher. And when they are high and they stabilize and then go lower, then we are getting out. The live masterclass is happening this Sunday, July 28th, between 1 and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Check out the link in the description below. Let's do our stock review. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla is down 45 cents, closed at $219.80, post-market up a little bit. So yeah, basically Tesla is stabilizing. We are back, unfortunately. We are back into this big downward channel that started in October of 2021. And since then, Tesla stock has been going down at that rate. This is the average rate of descent. Yes, we tried to break it. We tried many times, did not succeed. We succeeded recently. This is great. We succeeded recently, temporarily for a couple of weeks. Now we are back into it. We are back into our downward channel. So unless we break that diagonal red line, it means that we could be going further down. Not all is lost because at the same time, there are multiple patterns happening at the same time. At the same time, we have a bullish channel right here. So the move down that we are having right now could be picked up here. So we could be picking up, at around $200, a little bit over $200. So this is a definite possibility. And then if we break this downward resistance again, which would be at 220 something, we could be getting another buy signal for another swing in a few months at the worst. Right now, I don't advise you to buy Tesla because, this is falling and it could continue falling down. We are into a downtrend and we don't buy stock into a downtrend because we try to buy low and sell high and not buy high and hope that it goes higher. So we don't hope anything on this channel. We are looking at the data. So right now we just stay on pause. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX has been a concern this week. When the VIX is going up, stock market goes down. And this is exactly what happened this week. Also last week, it started a little bit last week. So VIX is down today. We are down 11%. Have we peaked? It might have looked that we have peaked because we have a high right here. We have a low for that candle yesterday. And now the high is right here and the low is right here. So we are a little bit lower. So this is good. And the close is quite a bit lower also. So maybe we are going to turn this around and this could give a break to the stock market. Let's keep watching this. Bonds are also helping a little bit by going down today. Let's take a look at the stock indices. So, okay, yeah, things are recuperating. Dow Jones had broken 40,041. So it wanted to go back into this big congestion zone going sideways. Now it's right back outside of it. So that's pretty interesting to see this. This is the current uptrend that we are in with Dow Jones. This is an interesting positive side. Stochastic is over 60. We need stochastic over 60 in order to believe any move up in a stock. So pretty good day actually for Dow Jones. S&P 500, yeah, not the same thing. Not the same thing. S&P 500, not the same thing. We are into this very tight downward channel, no stochastic. This one is not really showing us signs that it wants to turn around. Nasdaq, the same thing. Yes, a little bit better today than yesterday, but after the big drop that we had, it's going to take a lot of convincing to believe that this wants to go back up again soon. Let's take a look at our important stocks. Apple is sideways day. This is an okay day. We are still under 220 and we don't have stochastics, so we need to wait on that one too. Amazon inside our congestion zone. This one is just going sideways. We seem to be bouncing not too bad right here on that bullish support. AMD, this is going down to 131. Okay, Adobe, this is interesting. We stopped yesterday at 527.56. Today we are moving higher, so maybe we are rebounding. But because we don't have stochastic over 60 yet, we should wait a little bit more. ARM is having a hard time. It's wrestling very hard to try to stay above 150. Could not succeed today, but it's not going very low yet. As I said yesterday, probably because the earnings call is going to happen very soon, so people are not giving up on it yet. Google, okay. Google, this one is not, this one had less support yesterday. So right now we are pretty much in free fall and we are going to be picked up by a support at some point. So let's wait to see that. Microsoft into its congestion zone. This one is going sideways. Could be going down to 394. Meta bouncing on 452. Not the time to buy yet, but at least it's no longer going down. NVIDIA moving up today, still below 116.69, still no stochastic. It's going to have to do better. Palantir bouncing nicely on 25.52. People have faith in this one. This is what it means. We are analyzing the tug of war between the buyers and sellers. Tug of war. So we have buyers at 25.52. I cannot deny that. The stock came down. People were buying it. Most likely because of the earnings call coming. Some people know in advance and they hope they don't get caught. They might tell some friends. And those friends might be buying and then trying to figure out who knows who is complex. But, the market does not lie. So, there's something happening. Some people want to get in. The big move is going to come when we go above 29.31. That's for sure. Right now, this is a nice rebound. SMCI, nice rebound also. We have the earnings not too far away, so this might be helping. Yeah, nice support also. Look, yes, yesterday we had the big green candle. Today, this is a little bit weaker, but it's still higher than yesterday. Cannot break above 746. We still have stochastic over 60. We have the earnings coming very soon, so it's going to be an interesting week next week. Let's take a look at our EV stock. So BYD is really respecting this support right here. We have lost stochastic over 60. It's at 43. But, with a few green candles, we could be getting back stochastic and we could be closing above 30.79 also. Lucid. Lucid, I'm starting to think that 336 might be holding. It's been 2 days in a row that we have been above, and we only had the fluke of yesterday. Earnings coming also. Neo Battery Material, nothing interesting there. Neo, nothing. Novonix, nothing. Xpeng, we are above 822, but it's not the time to buy that. Rivian cooling down, losing stochastic. This one could go down to 15.17. That would not be so bad. Nouveau Monde Graphite doing nothing. Nikola Mining just a little bit down today. Bitcoin, nice day, up 2.65%. XRP stabilizing. Gold going sideways. And silver, silver losing 973. 73, this one is really in a free fall and stochastic is below 60. Let's be patient. Tesla is stabilizing. And don't forget to enroll to my live masterclass happening next Sunday. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday unless you enroll in my class, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.